Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name is Abiola, and if you want to see how I created this super simple grunge inspired makeup look, then please keep watching. Alright, so let's get into it. Fresh faced. I recently braided my hair to get like these little crimpy things going, so I'm just gonna get my hair out of the way. And I like to moisturize my face, even if I'm doing like a matte look, it doesn't even matter. I just feel like having that smooth, soft, hydrated face really helps. All right, let's get into brows. For brows, I'm using a brow pencil from Wet n Wild. And if you're one of the Canadian girlies, then you can probably pick this up from Dollarama. I got like a brown one and a black. I got two of each actually, because honestly, you can use this on your lips. You can use this on your eyes, which you'll see I did as well. In terms of shape, I tried to follow my natural shape, and I kind of wanted it to be extra bold and dramatic, so I went really heavy with my lining. I went dark, but you can do it according to your personal preference. Now I'm using the exact same eyebrow pencil for my eyes. We want to create a bit of a line, almost like you're lining your eyes, but not really. Like, it doesn't have to be neat at all. Just go kind of heavy with it, because in a moment we're going to use our fingers. You could see I still have some product left, and we're just going to smudge it. We kind of want to get a smoky eyed effect. You can elongate it. I just wanted it to look smoky, you know? And that's what it did. Like, super easy, super simple, and it creates that fierce look. Okay, let's get into eyeshadow. So I got this eyeshadow off of Glam, and we're gonna use a color that's a bit brown. It's okay if it's slightly warm, like this one. And you're going to go over the lids of your your eyelids, basically, to create a softer shadow. See how it complements the underlying deeper shadow that we did earlier with the eyeliner. It's gonna look a little bit crazy, but that's kind of the point. And it's gonna stand out more once we head to the next step. Feel free to add more or less depending on your preference. I even went underneath my eyes. I really just want to get that intense drama with my eye, but it still kind of looks natural at the same time. So yeah, I feel like that's what grunge is all about. All right, Bellas, if you've made it this far into the video, please like and subscribe. Now, mascara. I'm using another product from Glam. This is like a dual sided mascara. One is for length, and then the other side is for volume. And I'm just going to keep it kind of simple. If you want, lashes could really elevate this look, but I wanted to make this a lash-free kind of vibe. We're gonna add some to our lower lashes, and at this point I felt like I need a little bit more. I am using the volume enhancing part of this lash wand, and you see how it gives it a little more drama. Once again, you can go kind of messy with it. I feel like that just makes the look even more beautiful and grungy. Wow! Alright, now I want you to grab your favorite eyeliner. I'm using a gel liner. I believe this is from Wet n Wild or e.l.f. Oh my god, I don't know. But it's so easy to use. I'm not even going to go crazy with it. I just want to make my line a little bit darker. That same line that we used to smudge. Now, concealer. I am not even using foundation for this look because honestly, I didn't feel like it needed foundation. We're using concealer to highlight and to really get the eye look to pop, because that's the main focus of this. It's all about the brows, it's all about the eye makeup, and later, just a touch of lipstick. I'm now using a damp beauty blender to blend this out. I want it to be a little harsher. I'm not going to blend it out too much because I don't want the highlight to disappear. Now I want you to go in with your favorite bronzer. I recently picked this e.l.f. bronzing glow. Girl, I probably should get the names for you. I'll try to put it in the description. But get your favorite bronzer. You want to go kind of dark with it. This one is darker than what I'd usually use because I want extra chiseled cheeks. And I'm going to contour the bottom of my face as well. Not gonna lie, this part might feel and look a little crazy, but trust the process. I was like, oh, But like the whole point is to get more of a chiseled look, right? Because sure, we're gonna put a little blush, but we really want it to look sharp. And yeah, that's exactly what it's gonna do. So trust the process, just keep blending. I'd recommend using a blush that's more red tone. I have this really gorgeous blush from Glam. I'll link it as well. And for lips, we're using another eyebrow pencil by Wet n Wild. And it's called Simma Brown, I believe. And for this, use any cool tone lip liner. If you want to go a little warmer, that's okay. It's preference. But to achieve this exact kind of look, you want to go a little cooler. And then for lipstick, use a color that is brown with some red undertones. Almost like a very deep pink. And now go in with your favorite setting spray. I'm using the Wet n Wild, I think it's the matte finish. I always have a hard time squeezing the bottle, but I really love this product. It smells so good. Alright, this is the look. I actually just got dressed up to go out. And this is the look in natural lighting. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Comment if you'd like to try this out or if you have any other makeup looks you'd like to see, and I'll see you next time.